Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of October 22nd in my B6. This is the week before Halloween. I'm going to be using this Halloween kit from Planning World. It is so gorgeous. It's like that enchanted art. I'm really excited to use this. And this is my first time using her B6 format, so it's like the same size as like one normal, I guess, sticker sheet. So it's like a full sheet of paper of stickers, and it comes with like a lot of different stuff. So really excited to try that out. I have my Rock Your Notebook inserts as always. Really love these. And I am actually nearing the end of this first insert. So it's got a listing and sidebar page over here, and then it's got a week on 2 pages here. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in.
Okay, so sorry if this first part looks a little bit weird. I originally started this as like a talk through video, but it was like late at night and I was just getting over a cold and I just was so hoarse and having trouble speaking. So I just switched to doing a voiceover at a certain point just because I couldn't just keep talking. I am feeling much better now though, so everything is okay. So I did just put a full box up at the top and a little bit of the black Simply Gilded baby bows, and then the little checklist, which is 4 instead of 3 from the week, and I used one of the headers. I'm going to use the headers from the kit, which are so cute, and they're speckled with gold foil. So I went ahead and used that, and I put a to-do list. And then I don't usually take from a kit that I have slated for my memory planner that I haven't used yet. And I am planning on using this either week of Halloween or this week that just happened in my Erin Cadron. But I know that I won't need some of the sidebar stuff like the habit trackers, because I don't use that in my Erin Cadron. So I just went ahead and grabbed it since it was the same art and it just matched perfectly. And then that full box that half box at the bottom is from my newest addiction in the gold foil as well. Like I said, I love this art. I bought a kit for the B6 and I bought a kit for the my Erin Cadron, and I'm not sure what foil color I'm going to use for Erin Cadron. I might try and mix it up a little. I think this would actually look good with any of the 3 foil colors, which how often does that happen? So it seems kind of a waste to use gold when that's the most common foil that I use. But anyway, I digress, and I actually ended up using so much of this kit that I have almost no leftovers to bring into that anyways. So this is a really great B6 format, I think, except for I just need a little bit more sidebar stuff, but as long as I have color functionals that match, these formats are really, really ideal. So I didn't have another ombre checklist because I just have the mini kit from Scribble Prints Co. So I actually just used one of the checklists from the kit and did it like that. But I actually think it looks kind of cute, so I'm not mad about it. And then this I'm just gonna leave all blank for notes and different stuff. Some weeks I use it a lot and some weeks I don't. I'm just I don't know. I definitely do not have planner peace right now. I am working on through things and just trying to figure things out. I just did actually on Friday. I'll have a ring setup going live that I've been using as a work and other planner, which I'm really excited about. But I'm just definitely in the mood to kind of mix things up. Although I still am loving these inserts, which is good because I just bought another one for when this one runs out. So anyway, I thought the the Planner Sophisticated collab washi with the Harry Potter words matched this perfectly, because Harry Potter's slight Halloween vibes. And actually my baby son, we dressing him up as baby Gryffindor. I'm a Ravenclaw, I'm my husband's Ravenclaw, but somebody gave us a little Harry Potter gift set when he was born, and it fits him now. So I was well, I obviously have to use this for Halloween. So I paired this these cute pants and a hat, and I paired it with a onesie, and I printed some stuff on the silhouette and cut some vinyls to stick it on with the lion and a thing that says Gryffindor. It's super cute. I posted it on my Instagram stories. If you follow me on Instagram, and you see there, I don't show pictures of my kids, but I just posted a picture of the costume, which was super Harry Potter adorable. Anyway, I did use the date covers. The date dots are from Simply Watercolor Co. because she makes super, super tiny ones, which I like for with these. I thought that looked good. And then I am just using these 4 heart checklists. I just decided to keep them at 4. I don't know if I really need 4 per day, but it's fine, and they're tiny, so I will use them. And if I don't need one for one day, I'll just make it something really silly and light. That's usually what I do, just so I have to write it in to fill it out, or I'll do something I already did and then just check it off anyways, because let's be real. Anyway, I wanted to use the full boxes every day, except the weekend, but so I just thought they were so pretty, and they're the shorter ones, so I don't mind. on Monday. Basically, I lost footage from my Erin Condren plan with me, which is really frustrating. So I need to I needed to revisit my editorial calendar for the week / month and figure out when my videos were gonna go up, which I did. So, and this will go up on Tuesday, which I'm recording this voiceover, and then I'm going to upload it. Anyway, then on to plans and that stickers from Artback Stickers. On Monday, I have some important work calls that I just wanted to have in here because I needed to do some prep before them ahead of time. So I put that in there, and that laptop is also from Artback Stickers as well. I need to pack my daughter's lunch for school, and then my mother-in-law was actually still in on Monday, so I just left a thing for a fun activity, and we ended up doing pumpkin painting because my mother-in-law is actually a really great artist. I'm very crafty, but my mother-in-law is kind of like an artist, so that was really cool, and my daughter had a lot of fun doing that with her. Anyway, and then on Tuesday it is trash plus recycling day. Desperately needed. Our recycling bin is legit overflowing. We only have recycling every other week, which I feel every time then it happens it's overflowing. Anyway, then my daughter has school, and as well I needed to drop her off, and then I thought I was going to take my mother-in-law to the airport, but I didn't end up having to take my mother-in-law to the airport, but I did take my daughter to school, so that is fine. And then as well I need to paint my nails because I think I'm going to take Tuesday off since my mother-in-law's been in all weekend and everything, and then on Wednesday I'll do my filming that I usually do on Tuesday night, which is for my Erin Condren memory spread and whatever. Anyway, then on Wednesday, it actually started on Tuesday, but I didn't have space for it on Tuesday, and I just wanted to remind myself that early voting starts this week. I'm not going to go on Wednesday because there's no way I could go on a Wednesday, but I wanted to try and make sure I look up the polling place and try and figure out when might be a good time for me to go so that I can go and make sure that I do that so I don't have to wait in lines during election day. Anyway, it's great that they have early voting here. Then as well, I was going to film, and I had to do some sticker doctoring, so I wanted a checklist there. So I left myself a filming checklist, and as well, I need to pack lunches again for my daughter on Thursday. And actually, Austin has a boil water notice right now. So I had to, and we're not in it, but where my daughter's school is, so we had to send all this extra water to school with her too. So ended up having to jot that in as well. Hopefully that ends soon, and people cause that's really scary and stuff. It's just from all the rain and the flooding, everything is overrun. Anyway, on Thursday, we need to tidy up as always. And on Friday, our cleaning people are coming. On Thursday, my daughter also has school, and I wanted to make myself a laundry list. So I used a header and one of these Hello Petite paper stickers. Those trash and cleaning stickers are also from Hello Petite paper. They're all from the same sheet, and I just gave myself a little checklist. I cut those down from the full heart checklists, the film one and the laundry one there. Then as well on Friday, the library is closed. I'm not sure if it's closed because of voting. I don't think that's a polling place, but it might be actually. That would be convenient. We live very close to the library. And then it's only sort of matters anyways because I had to take my kids to get their flu shots. My son is under a year, so they split it in two, and then my daughter needs to just get hers so they can just go together and get them together, which is convenient. And then as well, I wanted to make sure I wrote down that is the Pen Gems new releases, the Wine Country releases. Oh my gosh, I am all about it. It is so gorgeous, and I've been begging for some fall Pen Gems colors, just begging random internet, not actual talking to Pen Gems, obviously. But I'm really happy that's happening. And then as well, we'll do something fun. So I just left myself a little space to write that in. Hopefully we'll do something fun. We'll see how shots go. Anyway, on Saturday, we are once again going to try to go to the farm. Maybe eventually we will have weather cooperation and it will happen. It was actually really nice this Saturday, but then it was so wet because it had rained all week that we couldn't go because it was just too muddy. So anyway, we ended up going to this really fun, we happened upon a dog party, which was really fun, and my daughter very much enjoyed it. Anyway, but so we didn't get to go, and hopefully we will get to go this weekend. And then as well, there's a trunk or treat in our neighborhood on Saturday night, so that should be cute. And then on Sunday, hopefully I'll get to do some planning and do some errands. And then as well on Sunday, we we'll do something fun. I don't actually remember what that's supposed to be now. But yeah, so I just marked it down like that. And then I am going to do like, oh, and then I grabbed one of these Halloween stickers from a Clever About Crafts freebie to mark the trunk or treat. I cannot remember what we're supposed to do on Sunday. And I'm like literally have my planner in front of me and I didn't write anything there. So maybe we don't have plans. I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to use that last full box. So I just put it there, or that second to last one. And then I just put some washi in. It's going to cut out in a second, but I basically just finished that up with a little bit of black. I just wrote Happy Halloween, even though it's not until next week. But I just thought that looked cool. And then I outlined it with like this light purple, and like you can't really see it on camera, but it looks amazing. Trust me. And then I'm just going to put in that last full box and some more deco, and that wraps this up.
Okay, that is everything all filled out. I super love how this turned out. I think it looks so pretty. Definitely feeling in the spooky spirit. I did actually all my writing with this Happy Scrappy sub box pen. This is like a really nice gel pen from Asia that was in like the April Happy Scrappy sub box. I just really like writing with it, and it was out, so I just used it. And then the lettering is in these two Tombos. This is in the N25, which is like a super dark gray, and a 620, which is like a really light purple. So I think that looks really pretty. I'm very happy with how that turned out. I need to like work on some editorial stuff before I figure out all of my Instagram and my videos and everything for this week. But anyway, so I'll probably just like kind of jot that in the margins, etc. as I go throughout the week. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!